Thank you for what you've done for all the children that you have served. I would not be in the place that I am in the places that I hope to go to advocate for children and family without Sharon and Craig.
I have such profound respect for Sharon and Craig Ramey because they really get kids.
This is a gold star that we give from City Council, and the reason you are a star in the Star City.
And I am hereby naming it a Festschrift, which is a gift Festschrift from all of us to Sharon and Craig and to all of you.
They've changed the trajectory of my career because they saw something in me as a child advocate and someone that could influence change and policy.
Sharon and Craig are absolutely wonderful. I've known them for many years. I started working with them in Birmingham, Alabama, and they have shown me the importance of, yes, we're doing scientific work, but at the end of the day, we're impacting lives.
They gave me the confidence to do that. They really allowed me to be confident enough to say, I'm going to take this on. I'm going to take on all of these levels of measurement, and that's really the credit that goes to the Rameys and the whole tradition of the developmental science thinking that they were part of.
So I would say for both Craig and Sharon, they were unbelievable mentors that made such a difference in my life.
Getting into the trials that Sharon was carrying on with OSU was my first entree, if you will, to the type of work that she was doing. She was very generous and welcomed me as part of her project, and I very much appreciate that because there can oftentimes be a split between the scientists and the clinicians, but this was really my chance to be welcomed into a clinical research project.
I'm impressed with them as people, as friends, but the conference today has shown me the impact of their work.
I wish we had them for another 40 years in Roanoke. We're trying to make that happen because they really, I think, really bring people together.
I am who I am because of them. They've meant the world to me in everything that I do and have taught me so much about how to conduct research, the science of it, but also the parts about involving the community being part of it from the beginning throughout all stages of it. So they've just been the world to me.
You immediately found with Sharon and Craig that you developed a personal rapport, a deep friendship, a trust of people of like mind, quick wit, intellectual, clearly, great sense of humor, and human beings. And there was a lot of room in science for being a human being, and Craig and Sharon have taught many people that. So I have been a close colleague and respected their work for many years. We've gone different ways in the meanwhile in our careers, and then joined forces again here at the Virginia Tech Fralin Research Institute about 7 years or so ago when they came down from Washington, D.C. And they not only transformed my life and the way of looking at things, but they've transformed this community, the community of Roanoke, Virginia Tech, the university, and the Virginia Tech Fralin Partnership, because they're not only effective advocates, they are the tip of the very spear that brings together communities of scholars, communities of people, everyday folks in the city, communities of educators, of policymakers, of scientists, of students. They're the glue that brings all this together, and they have truly been transformative in the birth and the growth of the VTCRI and what has happened here in Roanoke. It wouldn't be this way without them.